Struggle no more. Writing a scientific manuscript made simple. Welcome to our video on simplifying the process of writing a scientific manuscript. In this comprehensive guide, we will provide you with valuable insights and expert tips to help you overcome the challenges and struggles often associated with scientific writing. Whether you are a seasoned researcher or a beginner in the field, this video will equip you with the necessary tools to effectively communicate your research findings through a well-structured and concise manuscript. Join us to discover the key steps, helpful strategies, and common mistakes to avoid, allowing you to confidently write your next scientific masterpiece. Intro. Welcome back, fellow researchers. Are you tired of the complexities and struggles that come with writing a scientific manuscript? Well, worry no more. In this video, we will guide you through the process of simplifying scientific writing and equip you with the essential skills to tackle your next manuscript with ease. Get ready to dive into the world of effective research communication. Struggle no more. Writing a scientific manuscript made simple. Manuscript structure, laying the foundation. The importance of manuscript structure. A well-structured manuscript is essential for effectively communicating your research findings to the scientific community. It ensures clarity, logical flow, and enables readers to easily navigate through your work. Let's explore the key components that make up a strong manuscript structure. Title and abstract. The title and abstract are critical elements that grab readers' attention and provide a concise summary of your research. Crafting an informative and catchy title and writing a clear, concise, and engaging abstract are vital to entice readers to dive deeper into your manuscript. Introduction and background. The introduction sets the stage for your research by providing background information, justifying the study, and outlining the objectives. It should pique readers' interest and highlight the significance of your work within the existing scientific knowledge. Methods and materials. The methods and materials section describes the experimental design, tools used, and procedures followed to collect data. By providing precise and accurate details, you enable others to replicate your work, ensuring the credibility and reproducibility of your research. Results and discussion. Presenting your results in a clear and concise manner is vital. The results section showcases your findings using figures, tables, and concise descriptions. The discussion section allows you to interpret your results, compare them with existing literature, and provide meaningful insights that advance scientific knowledge. Conclusion and future directions. The conclusion summarizes the key findings of your research while highlighting their implications. It is essential to mention the limitations of your study and propose future research directions to further expand on the topic. Writing strategies, mastering the art. Effective writing strategies. Writing a scientific manuscript requires mastering specific strategies to convey your research effectively and engage readers. Let's explore some key writing strategies that will make your manuscript shine. Clear and concise language. Good scientific writing relies on clear and concise language. Avoid jargon, define technical terms, and use short, straightforward sentences to ensure your research is accessible to a broad scientific audience. Logical flow and cohesion. A manuscript with a logical flow and cohesive narrative enhances readability. Use appropriate headings, subheadings, and transition phrases to guide readers through your work effortlessly. Citations and references. Citations and references acknowledge other researchers' work, support your arguments, and allow readers to explore the background literature. Ensure proper citation style adherence and double-check your reference list for accuracy. Edit and proofread. Before submitting your manuscript, meticulous editing and proofreading are crucial. Polish your writing, check for spelling and grammar errors, and ensure overall coherence and consistency. Overcoming challenges, beating the odds. Overcoming challenges in scientific writing. Writing a scientific manuscript can pose various challenges. It's essential to be aware of these hurdles and equip yourself with strategies to overcome them. Let's explore some common challenges and how to conquer them. Writer's block and procrastination. Writer's block and procrastination can hinder your progress. Combat these by setting realistic goals, establishing a writing routine, and breaking the writing process into manageable tasks. Data interpretation and analysis. Interpreting and analyzing data can be complex. Seek guidance from experts or statistical consultants if needed. Clearly depict your results using appropriate visualizations to make them easier to understand. Handling rejections and critiques. Rejections and critiques are part of the scientific publishing journey. Embrace feedback as an opportunity for improvement, revise your manuscript accordingly, and consider seeking the guidance of mentors to enhance your work. Congratulations, fellow researchers! You have now learned valuable tips and strategies to simplify the process of writing a scientific manuscript. Remember, clear structure, effective writing strategies, and overcoming challenges are keys to success. So, go forth and confidently share your groundbreaking research with the world. Struggle no more. Writing a scientific manuscript is now made simple. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Have any questions or suggestions? Let us know in the comments section below. Happy writing, and until next time.